Madam Speaker, if there is any infrastructure development in my constituency, then it has been done through CDF, some well wishers, sometimes resources from my personal pocket. Madam Speaker, it is true, there are testimonies in this House. There are MPs testifying they're getting whatever they want from government, but be it infrastructure, development or relief maize, roads, ADMAC markets, but I have nothing, literally nothing, Madam Speaker, to point at in my constituency from the government apart from CDF projects. And I believe, Madam Speaker, I believe if it wasn't my entitlement as a member of parliament, this one would have passed me by as well. As I was lamenting this other day, Madam Speaker, on the same, someone gave me an advice to say that I should just stand in this House and praise the government and say something positive about the government. Today, Madam Speaker, I have 2 points to make because I took the advice. Madam Speaker.
Honorable member, we have our own way on how we ask for a point of order. You use the computer, Honorable.
Madam Speaker, this is the House of Records. This is the House of Records, and I would like to register these 2 points, Madam Speaker. My God, the creator of heaven and earth, forbids me the worship of idols. Hence, I cannot bow down, Madam Speaker, to worship the idols simply because I need development in my constituency. Madam Speaker, I can never be part of the Bowman Romweli press team for my people to get food in my constituency. I will never. Therefore, I am demanding that the following projects be done immediately because it is our right. It is our right. We also contribute to the taxes that is running this government. We demand for the following, Madam Speaker. Bayani 2, also known as Green Malata, to be completed in 2 weeks. Structures are already there, Madam Speaker. They are there. We just need a little something to complete the project. Madam Speaker, we were promised a primary at Chapima. And at least a secondary school, we're still waiting for that. Local government to complete Chiwasa Primary School. The construction of Area 5 Lambert Road to commence immediately as promised by the Minister of Transport. We are still waiting for his empty promise. Rehabilitation of Enejam to Area 5 Road to be completed because it is floating under the bridge. The bridge is a death trap. Madam Speaker,
consider winding up, Honorable.
I have a lot to mention, Madam Speaker. Like I said, there is nothing that I can point at. But still, at this point, I would like to remind all Malawians that in Chipululu Musimo Ferai, very soon, in less than 7 months, God will deliver us and He will give us a leader. Who knows suffering, who knows struggle, who knows loss, who have found in his way out of those deaths. A leader who has appreciation, a sensitivity, and an understanding of life, Madam Speaker. That leader filled with compassion, gentleness, and deep loving, Madam Speaker. A leader who understands the pain of someone going to bed with an empty stomach.
Honorable, slowly, we are unable to hear you.